Okay, I need to share this because we're having some difficulties this summer session. I do believe most of you responded that you've done courses before, and I just want to clarify how, and maybe even just show you. I don't even know if a lot of you know this. So if you go into our course and then here in the content section, you just click content, it's all of the material that we need, right? Now, as you know, in the weeks it shows you stuff and things. Okay, the learning resources, what you're supposed to do, right? It's all here. This is what you were supposed to be doing and should be doing. Okay, that's fine. That's here nor there. It's up to you to do this. Now, when it comes to submitting assignments, okay, if you come all the way down here, there's a section called class projects. I do believe you're aware of this. And then each project is kind of discussed what it is, right? So start here, the description requirements, and all of that stuff, okay? So if you go in this, you're going to see everything that you need to do, okay? It talks about the player control project export, all that stuff like that. It even shows you your expert will have the file extension unit. So this is what you're supposed to do, okay? And it even, I think there's, if you, here's a template, the reflection, the requirements here, right? Watch all the videos, complete the project demonstrated in the videos, export as follows, okay? So this is everything that you need to do, okay? And I know you know this, right? So for instance, for project one, if we're paying attention, we're doing it. What you need to do is let me show you this document again. This document needs to be filled out right here, this, and then you need to complete the player control project right here, code Unity 1 player control, and this project, export the project as Unity for review that you need to submit. It's this project. And the reason that's important is if I go to, let's see, I'll go to grades here now, and I'm going to go to our assignment. I'm going to pick on just one that is not just submitted. Now over here, okay, you can see that there is a project rubric. This is what I need to grade off of. So I need to see the player control project. If I click on this, it says runs without error, all functionality. Like this is how you're graded. There's a rubric in here that I need to make a selection on. The design document we talked about, and then across the project sketch, which is in there, and then that's how it tabulates your grade. So for those of you who are not turning in the player control project, this is what's being clicked. For those of you who are turning it in but it doesn't work as a Unipad, it's one of these other ones, but this is how you're graded and how I need to. So if you're doing something that is unrelated to project one, you're getting a 0 in one of these categories and it's not helping your grade. So please refer back, right? All the way back to content, okay? Look into that project and see what it is that you need to do because this co-aligns with that rubric. So everything that you see is in there. So please do me a favor, check that out and go back to what you submitted. Look at some of my comments and go from there, okay? Reach out if you need me. We still got plenty of time, but let's start tidying